Out here at the cemetery, it's a little windier than I thought, but I'm going to try a mission to Amazon and Bach. We'll see how this goes.
0 feet altitude, 12 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 98% battery.
If it's too windy, I'll bring it back. Don't know. Focus. Start. So we'll see how this goes. A little chilly. I didn't think it was this windy when I left my house. I didn't feel any wind. But I get out here, it's a different story.
299 feet altitude, 104 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 93% battery.
Barely moving, flying right into the headwind. There we go. He's struggling. It's going to struggle till he turns. A lot of tailwind. I'm not flying in that direction in general anyway. Where it's going now, it's going to turn up here. I'm watching it, I can see it from the ground. Strong wind warning.
Feet altitude, 730 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 89% battery.
Should have put the stronger battery in, but yeah, that baby's getting blown around. The fucking camera's acting up. Could be the wind shaking the camera. So I'm not going to let it go all the way. Like I said, I didn't realize it was this windy when I left. And that camera's dancing. But I think that's because of the wind.
Feet altitude, 1944 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 84% battery.
I'll let it get over there and I'll come back. I'm not going to fly the whole thing. Might be a little tricky to get it back. Wind is, it's steady. It's only, my app says safe to fly. 8 mile an hour winds with 20 mile an hour gusts, but there's no gusts. I'm watching the battery. Most important thing on a windy day.
3,409 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 79% battery.
Yeah, this thing is kind of tilting to the side. So I should be hitting sort of a headwind on the way back. This is the state highway trucks.
1,024 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 74% battery.
I got good battery. I'm gonna let it go up and turn, see how it makes the turn, and I'm gonna probably bring it back over here. Because I don't trust what I'm gonna hit on the way back. I can easily bring it back in jet mode. Fast. So we'll see. We shall see. Doesn't look like a lot of progress today. See if they made the corner on the wall. About where they were yesterday, I guess.
300 feet altitude, 6,431 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 70% battery.
Pretty good battery. Can't tell from here if the gates are open. I don't see any cars either. They could have very well gave the guys a couple of days off for the holiday. Okay, now.
Mission ended.
See how this does. Oh, I got a tailwind.
299 feet altitude, 6,937 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 65% battery.
I'll bring it back over here to be safe. Kick it into jet mode. It's over a mile away. It's doing 36, so great shape. It's chilly. Camera's
300
behaving.
feet altitude, 4,589 feet distance, 35 miles per hour, 57% battery.
Cut over this way. I saw smoke when I was coming over here. I was wondering what it was.
Feet altitude, 3,064 feet distance, 34 miles per hour, 51% battery.
My signal's getting a little choppy. There it comes. Coming back. .31 miles an hour. This is a really nice neighborhood back here. Pretty awesome houses.
.300 feet altitude, 1,111 feet distance. 28 miles per hour.
Over to
40%
Orchard.
battery.
This is going to be a short flight. 10 minutes so far. Usually I've been going 20, but not when it's windy. Yeah, I'm hitting the headwind right now. It's only going 20 miles an hour, and I got it pinned.
298 feet altitude. 1,293 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 28% battery.
Not seen any hood rats in like a month, but I haven't really been out in the woods either. Weather's been too shitty.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%. 176 feet altitude. 1,434 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 20% battery.
Yeah, he's getting blown around pretty good.
Warning, aircraft battery at 18%.
I'll let it land by itself. Bring him home. I noticed the other day when the battery gets critically low, it won't let you turn the camera off when it lands. And I had to disconnect and reconnect it. It's happened like twice so far. But it's right over my head now. Coming down. Yeah, in the wind, it's all about battery management.
Aircraft battery at 12%.
Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't get too far away, you can't come back. You're going hiking. You're going drone hunting. Cool little battery. We'll see if this thing will let me turn it off. Anyways, that was cut short about 5 minutes because of the wind, but it's all good. Got back safe. A little chilly. D-Dub is out.